Difficult for women to find life partner after breakup. High Court on live-in relationships. The Allahabad High Court has observed that women suffer more in comparison to men when live-in relationships end, and it is difficult for women to find a life partner after a breakup. The court's observation came while granting bail to a man accused of sexually exploiting a woman under a false promise of marriage. A bench of Justice Siddharth noted that courts have been flooded with such cases ever since live-in relationships were legalized by the Supreme Court. These cases are coming to the court because the concept of live-in relationship is against the settled law in the Indian middle-class society, the court said, as cited by Bar Bench. Justice Siddharth said the concept of live-in relationship goes against the interest of the women, since a man can marry even after a live-in relationship with a woman or several women, but it is difficult for the women to find a life partner after a breakup. The court observed that although live-in relationships appeal strongly to the younger generation, their negative consequences are evident in cases such as the one at hand. A woman filed a case against the petitioner, Shane Alam, stating that he had a sexual relationship with her based on a promise that he would marry her. She claimed that Alam later refused to marry her. Alam was booked under various provisions of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 BNS and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act (POCSO) Act. Swipe left for next video. Earlier this year, the Supreme Court has held that a woman, who has been in a long-term live-in relationship, may not be able to claim she was forced into a physical relationship by her partner under the promise of marriage and later file rape charges against him. The top court said that in such cases, it cannot be definitively concluded that physical relations occurred solely on the basis of a promise of marriage. Latest blogs.